Guys, welcome back to my channel. I got on the bench today. That Ansman buggy that I bought, I've turned into a short course truck. Still waiting on an engine, guys, to come for eBay, which I did win the bid. Take the body off and have a look. I managed to get hold of SC4 Nitro by Ansman's rear bumper and front bumper set. So just waiting on an engine, guys. And sorry, slips. I'll show you what I'm building in the book. This one here, guys. Obviously I can't get this body nor wheels, but that's what I got. The engine should be here in a few days, guys, so I'm going to put that in. I'm going to break the FTX in later on today. Well, look, guys, it looks pretty smart with this blue body. Anyway, guys, it'd be a great help if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.